Welcome back students. Now we will continue the lesson A Tale of Two Birds. First part we have already done. Now we are here on the second part. The king was amazed to hear a similar voice again. Amazed means surprised. He came to know the bird's true story. He met the rishi who explained the behavior of each bird. Now these are some clues to learn or to understand the lesson well. Now we are starting. Soon he came, he means here the king, to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There is some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave," he said to himself loudly. Okay, now we will try to understand this paragraph. In this paragraph, the narrator or the writer of the story is saying that the king heard a soft voice which greeted, which welcomed him and asked him to come inside and take a rest. The voice also told him to have cold water from the pot and be at ease till the rishi comes. The king was surprised and he looked up to check and again found a similar big brown bird in the tree. Now the next paragraph. "You are right, sir," answered the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. Now now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then the rishi entered the ashram. Now in this paragraph, the writer wants to say that the bird told the king that he was right. The bird was his brother but had befriended robbers. Means he got into the contact of the robbers. He too had become like them. The bird added that he and his brother no longer talked to each other. Just then the rishi entered the ashram. In this paragraph, we came to know that after separating with each other, they have got the different companies. The first bird got the company of robbers and the second bird got the company of the rishi. Now we are continuing it. On the next page. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." So in these lines, the rishi also greeted the king and requested him to come inside and be at ease. Be at ease means make anyone comfortable. He also offered to share his food. Now next one. The king told the rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. "The forest is full of surprises," he said. Now in this paragraph, the rishi is telling the king that how the forest is full of surprises, and the king told the rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they look so like. The forest is full of surprises, he told to the Rishi. Now, what happened? The holy man. Holy man is used here for the Rishi. The holy man smiled and said, after all, one is known by the company of one keeps. The bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about the robbing people. This one has repeated what has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these birds. Now in these lines, the Rishi smiled and explained the impact of the company one keeps. The bird who heard robbers was repeating their words, and the one who was with the Rishi was speaking softly and was greeting the people. The Rishi asked the king to take rest and offered to tell him more about the birds. Now we will discuss the question answers. First question, how did the two baby birds get how did the two baby birds get separated? Now you can write down the answer like this. The two baby birds were separated because of a firestorm or a strong storm. The strong winds made them fall far away. Now the second question, where did each of them find a home? One baby bird, you can write down the answer like this. One baby bird reached a cave of robbers and the other landed near a Rishi's ashram. Now question number 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? You can write down the answer like this. The first bird said, quick, hurry up. There is someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Now question number 4. What did the second bird say to him? You can write down like this. He said, welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The Rishi will be back soon. Now question number 5. How did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the birds behaved? The Rishi explained that birds were reflecting the impact of their company. Now the last question. Which one of the following sums up the story best? You have 3 options to choose. So which one will be correct? The second one. One is known by the company one keeps. So I hope all of you have understood the lesson and you also enjoyed this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.